Hi guys, today I'll show you how to use the 3D Touch and Widgets features for AirMore. First, download and install the latest version of AirMore from the App Store. Once installed, you can now enable these features. For the 3D Touch, open AirMore and keep it running on your background. Now press on the icon firmly till you see this. From here, you can access the clipboard and other files stored on your phone. To add AirMore to your widget, simply swipe left on your home screen and from here, scroll down and then click on the Edit button. Hit the green plus icon and then press Done. On your home screen, swipe down until you see AirMore. You may click on Show More if you want to access the app or your files. You may also do this by pressing on the AirMore app icon firmly and then clicking on the Add Widget button. And that's how you can use the 3D Touch and Widgets feature. Thank you for watching.